everyone, welcome in my YouTube video channel of Engineering Graphics and Design subject. Myself Aarti Patel from LJ Institute of Engineering and Technology. This is 6th session of Introduction chapter. Topics which we are going to learn in this session are diagonal scale and example of diagonals. Now, what is diagonal scale? Diagonal scale is used to represent either three interconnected units or a unit and its fraction up to second place of decimal. Now, what is the difference between plane scale and diagonal scale? Plane scale is used to represent two interconnected consecutive units and diagonal scale is used to represent three interconnected units. Now, both scale are used for single unit also. Plane scale is accurate up to first place of decimal and diagonal scale is accurate up to second place of decimal. Before starting example of plane scale or diagonal scale, the knowledge of basic linear measuring units and its relation must be required. Now, this units and its relation we already covered in previous two sessions. Let us start example of diagonals. First example, draw a diagonal scale of RF 1:5 showing decimeter, centimeter and millimeter and long enough to measure up to 8 decimeter. Show a distance of 5.35 decimeter. Here, first we need to find length of diagonal scale in centimeter. We have to use same formula of plane scale. Length of diagonal scale in centimeter is equal to RF into maximum length. The value of RF is given 1/5 and maximum length is given 8 decimeter. Find out answer in centimeter, which is 16 centimeter. Here, bigger unit is decimeter. Next, smaller is centimeter and next smaller unit is millimeter. First draw 16 centimeter line which is indicate maximum 8 decimeter. So, this 16 centimeter line divide into equal 8 parts. Mark here decimal points as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Next, for subdivision, take relation of decimeter and centimeter. We know that 1 decimeter is equal to 10 centimeter. So, first unit divide into equal 10 parts. And mark here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 centimeter. Here, smallest unit millimeter indicate on vertical line. So, draw vertical line from 8 points. Now, this vertical line indicate millimeter. So, take relation of centimeter and millimeter. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. So, this vertical line divide into equal 10 unit or 10 parts. Either you take 0.5 centimeter unit size or 1 centimeter units. Mark here 10 units as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, which is indicate millimeter. Next, complete rectangle. Draw vertical line passing through all main division of decimeter. Next, draw horizontal line passing through all division of millimeter. Next, connect diagonal line. For diagonal line, connect 10 millimeter maximum point with second last division of centimeter, which is 9. So connect 9 centimeter and maximum point 10 millimeter diagonally. Next, draw diagonal line parallel to this first diagonal line passing through all division of this centimeter. Now, show a distance of 5.35 decimeter on this scale. So here 5 millimeter, 3 centimeter and 5 decimeter. So first select smallest unit, which is 5 millimeter. Five millimeter point take on 3 centimeter diagonal line. Next, take 5 decimeter points on this millimeter line. Now, this distance indicate 5.35 decimeter or 5 decimeter, 3 centimeter and 5 mm. At last, mention scale here, which is RF is equal to 1/5. Let us solve second example. The length of the Khandala tunnel on the Mumbai-Pune Expressway is 330 meter. On the road map, it is shown by 16.5 centimeter long line. Construct a scale to show meter and to measure up to 400 meter. Show length of 289 meter long on the expressway. First, find out length of diagonal scale in centimeter is equal to RF into maximum length. Here RF is given in indirect form. We know RF is equal to drawing size divided by actual size. Here drawing size is given 16.5 centimeter and actual size of 16.5 centimeter is given 330 meter. Maximum length is given 400 meter. So length of the diagonal scale is equal to 20 centimeter. First draw 20 centimeter line, which is indicate maximum 400 meter distance. Next, this 20 centimeter line divide into equal 4 parts and mark here meter points as 0, 100, 200, 300 and 400. Here this diagonal scale is only for single unit, which is meter. Next, first division subdivide into equal 10 parts. Because main division indicate 100 parts of meter and subdivision which is indicate tens part of meter. So divide first division into equal 10 parts and mark here 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100 meters. Now, ones part of meter indicate on vertical line. So, draw vertical line from this 400 point which is also indicate meter. This vertical line divide into equal 10 parts and mark here ones of meter as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Size of unit you can choose either 0.5 centimeter or 1 centimeter. Next, complete rectangle. Next, draw vertical line passing through main division points. Next, draw horizontal line passing through one's part of meter points. Next, draw first diagonal line. For first diagonal line, connect 10 points of ones with 90 points of tens meter. Next, draw parallel line passing through remaining all tens points. Now here show length of 289 meter. So take ones part of meter is 9, tens part of meter is 80 and 100 part of meter is 2. So first select 9 number ones meter line. Next select diagonal line passing through tens meter which is 80. Both are intersect here. So mark first point here. For second point, take 200 meter distance. So take horizontally 200 meter distance and indicate here 289 meter distance. At last, mention here RF or standard scale of this drawing is equal to drawing size divided by actual size. Is both unit converted into mm. So RF is equal to 1/2000. Next, let us solve third example. Construct a diagonal scale of representative fraction is equal to 1/36 showing yard, foot and inch. Scale should be long enough to measure 5 yard. Measure 3 yard, 2 foot and 9 inch. First, find out length of diagonal scale in inch. Because we can draw scale with centimeter or inch size. Is equal to RF into maximum length. Here RF is given 1/36 and maximum length is given 5 yard. Find out Answer in inch. So maximum length in inch is equal to 5 inch. Next draw 5-inch line which is indicate maximum 5 yard. This 5-inch line divide into equal 5 division and mark here yard division as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now here the relation of yard and feet, we know that 1 yard is equal to 3. So first division divided into equal 3 parts which is indicate feet and mark here feet points as 0, 1, 2, 3. Next inch unit indicate on vertical scale. So draw vertical line from 5 points. We know the relation of feet and inch. 1 feet is equal to 12 inch. So this vertical line divide into equal 12 parts. Mark here 12 points as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Next complete rectangle. Next draw vertical line passing through main division. Next draw horizontal line passing through inch division. Next draw first diagonal line. For first diagonal line, connect maximum inch point 12 and second last feet point 2. Draw parallel line passing through remaining feet points parallel to this first diagonal line. Now as per given data, measure 3 yard, 2 feet and 9 inch distance. So first select smallest unit 9 inch line. Next 2 feet line which is indicate here on 9 inch line. Maximum yard is given 3. Mark point on 3 yard line. Indicate here 3 yard, 2 feet and 9 inch distance. At last, mention here RF 1/36. So, this is the end of this session. See you soon in next coming video lecture. Thank you.